how to fix no sound on the Nintendo Switch when docked. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the very first fix, what I suggest is going to be checking if your TV is in fact unmuted. This is going to sound very simple, but try turning up the volume of your TV and also make sure that the mute button here, if it manages to focus, okay, make sure it is not pressed. So if you press it, make sure, well, in fact, that it is not pressed. Now the second thing though, which I suggest doing, is making sure that you don't have headphones connected to your Nintendo Switch. That is going to be another reason why it might happen. Now we can proceed to the technical fixes. You want to go into system settings. Now here we are just going to go into system and update your system. So click on system update, preparing to update here. If there is an update, it's going to show you. And also you will have dock update. So click on dock update here and make sure that your dock is also up to date. Now, once you have checked these two, then this should fix the no sound issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.